Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. We're excited to have you here with us today as we explore amazing and incredible organic pig farming in cave in China. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Organic pig farming in cave in Livestock is a unique and innovative approach to raising pigs in a natural and sustainable manner. Livestock, located in the province of Shandong, China, is known for its vast cave network, which provides the perfect environment for this type of farming. In organic pig farming, the aim is to raise pigs without the use of synthetic chemicals, antibiotics, or genetically modified organisms. The pigs are reared on organic feed, which consists of a mixture of grains, legumes, and natural supplements. These feed ingredients are sourced from organic farms within the region, ensuring their authenticity and quality. The caves in Livestock offer several benefits for organic pig farming. Firstly, the stable temperature and humidity inside the caves provide an ideal climate for the pigs, reducing the need for external heating or cooling systems. The caves also offer protection from extreme weather conditions such as hot summers or cold winters. The layout of the cave farm is designed to provide ample space for the pigs to roam and graze freely. Natural vegetation, such as grasses and shrubs, is encouraged to grow inside the caves, providing additional food sources for the pigs. This mimicry of the pigs' natural habitat allows them to exhibit their natural behaviors and promotes their overall welfare. To maintain the organic integrity of the farming system, various sustainable techniques are employed. For instance, the waste produced by the pigs is used as natural fertilizer for the surrounding organic crops, creating a closed-loop system that minimizes environmental impact. Additionally, natural pest control methods, such as companion planting and biological controls, are implemented to reduce the need for chemical pesticides. The organic pig farming practices in Livestock prioritize animal welfare, environmental sustainability, and the production of high-quality, healthy pork products. The resulting organic pork is sought after by consumers who value sustainable and ethically sourced food. Ecological pig breeding in Livestock is a sustainable farming practice that focuses on the well-being of pigs, the environment, and the overall health of the community. Jilaozhuang, a small rural village in Hebei Province, China, has embraced this approach to pig farming as a way to improve the quality of their pork while minimizing the negative impacts on the environment. Ecological pig breeding in Jilaozhuang follows the principles of harmony with nature and sustainability. The villagers believe that pigs should be raised in an environment that mimics their natural habitat as closely as possible, allowing them to exhibit natural behaviors and maintain optimal health. The primary goal is to create a system that promotes the overall well-being of the pigs and ensures the production of safe, nutritious pork. The first step in ecological pig breeding is the creation of suitable living conditions for the animals. Farmers in Jilaozhuang provide spacious and comfortable pig housing that allows for natural movement and social interaction among the pigs. The pigs have access to outdoor areas where they can graze and forage, which promotes their physical and mental fitness. Diet is a crucial aspect of ecological pig breeding. The villagers in Jilaozhuang focus on providing a balanced and natural diet for their pigs, consisting of locally sourced feed and organic waste. They use a combination of grains, legumes, and grasses, which are grown without the use of synthetic pesticides and fertilizers. This approach not only ensures the pig's nutritional needs are met but also reduces the environmental impact associated with intensive feed production. To control pests and diseases naturally, ecological pig breeders in Jilaozhuang rely on integrated pest management (IPM) techniques. This includes utilizing safe and non-toxic methods to control parasites, such as maintaining proper hygiene and sanitation in the pig houses and using herbal remedies instead of chemical treatments. By avoiding the use of antibiotics and other pharmaceuticals unless necessary, they aim to minimize the risk of developing antibiotic resistance and ensure the safety of the pork produced. Waste management is another critical aspect of ecological pig breeding in Jilaozhuang. The villagers have implemented a system to efficiently recycle and utilize pig waste, transforming it into organic fertilizer. This not only helps in the sustainable management of waste but also reduces the need for chemical fertilizers. The resulting organic fertilizer supports the growth of crops and vegetation within the farm, closing the nutrient cycle and minimizing the environmental impact. The villagers of Jilaozhuang prioritize animal welfare in ecological pig breeding. They provide a stress-free and comfortable environment for the pigs, ensuring proper ventilation, temperature control, and access to clean drinking water. They also avoid the use of confinement systems, allowing the pigs to move freely, express natural behaviors, and maintain good health. In line with the principles of ecological breeding, the villagers of Jilaozhuang have established a local market where they sell their sustainably produced pork directly to the community. This direct-to-consumer approach ensures transparency and allows consumers to make informed choices about the food they consume. It also strengthens the bond between the farmers and the community, fostering a sense of trust and collaboration. Overall, ecological pig breeding in Gaolaojuang represents a holistic and sustainable approach to pig farming. By prioritizing animal welfare, natural diets, waste management, and community engagement, the villagers are not only producing high-quality pork but also protecting the environment and promoting the well-being of the community. Through their pioneering efforts and dedication, they serve as an inspiration for other farmers and communities, demonstrating the viability and benefits of ecological pig breeding. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your time and attention. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like, comment and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. We look forward to seeing you again soon.